Mighty machines. Working mighty machines. They build things and they fuck your mom, yeah. Mighty machines. Yeah, they lift things up and they fly in the sky and they lift things again and they throw trash in a pile, yeah. Mighty machines. Yeah, they pull wood to your mom's house and they sculpt the snow.
We got the plows and the snow.
Painting some fucking parts of a truck.
On the thing. We're shitting
your
paper
news
out of
coming
every
into the
single
store.
end.
Yeah, bam.
Mighty machines.
Bam, boom, 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 bam.
Mighty
machine. They're doing mighty things. Lifting and pulling and flying so high. Boom, boom. Super machines.
Oh yes, look at me. I am a truck, and I am full of cum. My name is Billy, and I am the cum truck.
Billy Boy
Vroom,
provides
bitch.
balloons to half of Europe.
Oh man, I can't wait to be made into balloons.
Vroom, bitch. I am going to the fucking factory to deposit my fat cum load into the factory so I can make fucking condoms.
The map
Oh,
factory
fuck.
is located
Map
on
of
the
the
Cross
factory.
Island of Britain.
Fuck, I'm stopping. Oh god.
Alright. Got it.
Oh fuck, he's coming.
Alright, another fucking day on the job.
God, he's gonna open my ass. He's going to
Christ.
gape me.
Alright, let's take a look at that.
Ah!
Yeah, fucking cum. Yeah, that's
God, I'm
shit.
so full of cum.
Alright, I gotta skim a bit off the top for my wife at home.
Take me out of the
God,
truck.
no, my cum, I need it. It's how I
Oh,
gain my
God.
powers.
I can't wait to put a big baby bottle lid on this and suck the fucking tit off. Oh.
God.
The cum is then tested to make sure it's of the highest quality.
Yes.
Hey, that
Looks
cum's
like
pretty-
cum to me.
That's pretty tasty. Nice cum
Oh,
crisp.
yes.
No, I have HIV!
Yes, that's cum.
Oh god, that makes me so fucking
It's
hard.
then transferred to be tested on the penis machine. The penis machine drags many penises through the vat of cum.
Oh fuck, we're going in!
The balloons are then transported on the glass penises to be dipped into the cum a second time. This ensures they can be blown up to great volumes.
God,
Oh
this
yes,
fucking
that's a computer. Yes, this is a cum sucker. I am sucking the cum in. Oh yes, that's cum.
Alright, let's take a good look at this one. Alright,
That's a 10.
Pretty fertile. Got a lot of swimmers in there. Alright, gotta go in for the taste now. Oh fuck, this one's got a pube in it.
Yes, my friends and I, Billy and Billy and Bill, we are the condom sorters. We are making sure the condoms are ready.
The Billies ensure that all the excess cum is properly disposed of.
This machine tests the condoms to 1 thrust, the amount of thrusts you will take before you end.
This machine was acquired from your mother's bedroom.
This is the boxing machine. It kicks your ass.
But what
Oh,
happens
fuck.
to all the excess cum?
That's so much cum. Fuck.
You're in the
Why is all the
snowstorm.
cum in Quebec? Fuck, this is so heavy. I hate this.
I'm a
Oh,
snow
Why
and
did I
I'm a
take
sub.
this job?
Oh yeah, push me.
God, I love being pushed.
God, this is so awful. Every day I wake up and I'm tormented by the cum.
Hey, Bill!
Hey, how's it going?
Hey, Bill!
Yo, Mark!
Yo, hey,
Mark,
Bill.
how's the
How you
wife,
doing?
Mark?
You just fucking cut me up!
How's it going?
Oh, what's up, truck?
Hey, I got this fucking big slab of cardboard. You wanna fuck me across it? Glory hole style?
This
Hey,
cocaine.
guys, I'm stuck! I'm stuck! Get me out! Get me out of here!
Oh, this is
please!
dog eating the cum, dude. This is bestiality.
The huggy.
No!
This smells
Dig
funny.
me out! Oh, getting dug out! Okay,
This
thank you,
smells so
finally!
fucking heavy.
I've been in
Good
here
God.
for years!
Oh, that
Where
was.
the fuck
why
did all
does
this
Montreal have
cum
this
come
strangest
from?
This is my
bukkake?
tomb.
Where did all
I'm
this
just
come
happy to be
from?
here.
God.
There's so
Is
much.
it just me, or is this kind of like
this is so
actually a
fucking
little hot?
hard. God, fuck. I just want to fucking grill. Okay, I'm gonna go grill now.
But
See ya.
hey, I'm the new guy.
Hey, welcome!
Hey,
I don't
hello,
plow
new
cum,
guy.
I plow
Hello there.
shit.
Hi, how are you doing?
Yo, what's your
I
favorite
plow
excrement?
shit.
The cum griller.
Yo, that's my favorite guy!
I suck
Oh,
in the
fuck.
cum, and then I mix it up into soup.
It's Chuckles Helicopter
For the
Bob
person
Jones. I love that guy.
God, I love cum soup.
God.
Can you make me some tomorrow?
Yes, of course. I got a
Thank
pot on
fuck.
right now.
God, I'm gonna have a big sip of cum.
I'm opening.
Who's this guy? What's he
Hey.
doing in there?
It's the baby machines.
I am
Hey, yeah, I'm the
literally
baby
just
machine.
vibing.
Bro.
I'm a
Who's
very
also
small
vibing?
baby.
Not cool, man. I was just trying to sleep.
I'm just trying to chill here and be a tractor, and these little babies are just like...
76.
What are they
My
doing?
favorite.
I'm a little baby, you know? Just be doing baby things.
Almost as good as
Kissing and shit.
69.
Dude, this is the tractor house, though. Like, what are you even doing in here?
Just being babies.
We're just
Well,
trying
you
to
know,
sit here, just trying
Wham,
Life
wham.
of
to,
the farm.
you know...
Wham and such.
Well, actually,
Well, life on the farm's kind of laid back.
old
in
76
the
again.
God, they're really showing off our asses like 10 times, huh?
God,
Oh,
guys, there's a
open
rat.
the goddamn door.
There's a rat.
I believe.
Free.
There's a rat! Kill it! Ah!
Oh, it's getting inside me!
God, I love being inside these.
Why do we have to watch this?
Ah!
I love being
I'm
inside these.
leaking!
God, this is the
Alright,
most
let's
terrible
go.
sight I've ever seen.
No, Jim! Jim, get back
Jim,
here,
no!
man!
No,
No.
Jim. How could you take it from us? He was so young.
No, I'm going to save Jim! I got him,
No,
guys!
me.
I can stop him!
Go save Jim!
Oh, he's gonna go
You can
save
survive
Jim.
cum
Fuck you, I
storm.
never liked him anyway. Jim! Get back here, buddy!
You go get
I'm
him, boss
coming.
man!
Go
I'm
get
coming,
Jim,
Jim.
please, God.
Please, help.
I'm coming to get Jim too!
This is Cheekbuster 2-5 reporting for duty. Go,
Please.
go, go.
You guys remember that
help.
killdozer?
PP actual. All systems nominal.
I repeat, cum is continuing to drop from the sky. God is really not on our side.
Bam Bam 69 reporting in. All cum removal systems intact.
Hey, bum bum.
It's Peter Puncher 27.
483. We're ready to move cum when present.
Jim!
Rolling out.
83, I like your big wheels.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too,
Any more
brother.
call signs checking?
Please help me! I'm being operated without my permission.
God, being cum is such a boring job. All I have to do is sit around and exist.
Hey,
It's
is
so
that Jim?
fucking annoying.
Jim, no!
Please help me!
Oh, no. Oh, I just hit a mailbox.
All I do is get pushed around and be cum. It's so fucking annoying. I want to grill. I want to exist. I want to be a real boy.
Can you please save me?
Oh yeah, that's the good stuff.
We are literally cum. What are you doing?
Oh, I thought it was cocaine, Jim.
Nah, this is cum cane.
Ooh. Why are we just pushing it back and forth?
It's an endless cycle. It's like a trauma loop.
No, fuck you. You
Ugh,
get this girl.
fuck.
It began.
No, take it back. I don't want it. I don't want any more cum.
I'm leaving.
No, the cum will flow. Ooh.
No, fuck
You're
you.
flowing.
Beep beep. Hey, you guys almost
Hey,
done with the cum?
The cum's never done. It's only just begun.
I've got places to go.
And they all have cum.
God, I'm just a parking meter. Why did you literally pile all the cum around me?
It's 'cause we like you, parking meter.
Shut the fuck up.
Literally.
No, stop fucking bukkaking me, please!
Interesting complaint. Any issues?
Please.
Dear Jim! Interesting thesis. 1 rep max?
Dearest parking meter.
Stop fucking ramming me my ass!
Did George Soros
Actually,
pay you to
ramming
say
my ass
that?
part is fine. You can keep doing that.
Go on, the parking meter gets it.
My safe word is,
Jim, I'm coming
parking
for
violation.
you!
Bro, look at Terrence.
Oh.
That ass up, huh?
Bruh, the ass on that tractor made me so wet that Justin Trudeau had to deploy a 24-hour National Guard unit to stack sandbags around my
Hey,
bed.
my eyes are up here, Jim!
What about it? The cum must flow.
Yeah, I'm here to provide relief.
The only thing you're relieving is my prostate.
Ah, yes, I'm here. I'm
Get out of the way! I'm trying to get to the strip club!
Beep.
Ah, yes.
You're off the road, Terrence.
I'm just fucking sitting
Ooh.
around. I wish I could.
Carrying this package is so fucking hard.
I wish I could
Lazy.
flick my wife's brother in the ass.
Jim, get back to work. Come on.
Jim,
We don't pay you to sit around and watch Terrence do all the work.
Jim,
Ooh,
your life is so sad. I get a charity tax break just for hanging out with you, buddy.
Every time the cum gets pushed, the cum comes, and there's more cum to push. The cum must flow.
God, the cum truck, the cum dumpster.
Ah, yes. Please get in me. Get in my cum.
No, it's all spilling out.
That's the way I like it.
That's okay. The cumster has plenty of space for cum.
Off to the cum soup canning factory.
Yes, you're rolling it smooth and low.
Cream of mushroom soup is just a
break.
propaganda. God, put it in my orifices.
In goes the
Jim,
cocaine.
always
Jim, you get
hit.
buried. I'm digging you out, Jim.
God, I love watching cum getting ground up and thrown into my ass.
God, I love going into someone's ass.
I'm glad we got that in common. I'm gonna slowly
Oh,
inch forward so you have to follow me for no reason, just to make it annoying.
God.
God, the cum must flow, but also the cum is upset that cum is spilling out of the cum.
So you're just shooting it
None of this
directly
is in
into
the
the
job
side of me. Can you please put it in me?
No, I'm gonna spill because it's on.
God, I haven't seen this much cum since they announced the redo exam for Elect 2501.
What does that mean? I'm a tractor.
You weren't there, buddy.
I'm just here to do my job, man. City of Montreal pays me to go around and push the cum off the roads. I'm just, doing what you gotta do to get by,
Bum Bum
Well,
69, checking in.
Bum, thank you.
Fuck you. Wah, cope harder, buddy. You seem to be having a bit of a skill issue over there.
Well, at least this isn't as bad as the piss flood of 69.
I remember the piss
I
flood
am
of 69.
blue, and I'm here to relieve the street's blue balls by getting rid of all the cum. Let's fucking go, lads.
God.
Yo, is that the cumster? I want to get in the cumster. God.
Everyone wants to
Fuck you,
get
lad.
me.
Put me in the cumster.
You can try, but I'm playing hard to get.
It can't be that hard. I'm getting sucked into the side of you, cumster.
God, what if someone turned all the cum into cocaine?
What if someone should all the cans to cum? That'd be a real problem.
No.
I'm just gonna go.
Thank God they're out of the way. That was a good show, though.
Hey, wait for me.
Mm.
Oh, who turned off the lights? Ow, my eyes! Ah!
Oh,
My eyes!
Bald, wah, go punch sand, go punch dirt, go piss, eat rocks, mold, seeds.
Old people's home, they need the cum cleared from the doorstep, man.
This is their personal problem.
Yo, it's
a skill issue.
Yo, can you sign my cast?
No, skill issue.
I'm gonna run right into this truck. I'm turning into the killdozer.
God, sometimes I think of plowing something else. Like a human.
Mister, what's a human?
I remember one time.
Little rats.
One time, some kids from a thing called Ravens Racing came, and they stuck their fucking dicks in me.
What's a dick?
I haven't felt that good in so long.
Yo, what's a dick?
Gee, mister,
It's
that
like,
sounds scary.
That's what the Ravens Racing kids said too. But,
What's a dick?
I said yes
What's a
because
dick?
we
Please
said
tell
it's
me.
very important.
Please
It's
go on,
like-
just a house. I need to know what a dick is.
I don't really know, man.
Tell me what a dick is, please. I need to know.
Bro, it's like,
Bro, tell us.
have you ever, you know, like the hose that you squirt the cum out of, like into the dumpster?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like that, but like
Hey.
the small people have it.
Are you guys talking about dicks?
No.
Yo, I got
Not
one. Let
yet.
me show you.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's so big.
Oh, it's
God,
producing
I'm
so
getting cum
much.
everywhere. I'm so bad at my
God.
job.
We should not have gotten that guy to show us that dick. There's so much cum here now.
Oh my
God,
god.
there's so much cum I can't even fit all of it in.
That was a
Fucking
big mistake.
fill the
Holy
dumpster.
fuck.
I can't handle all this cum.
What? Alright. Lesson number 1 of the day. Do not ask humans to show dicks on the street.
God, I can barely handle the cum. My gears are grinding so fucking hard. I'm going to get arthritis. Fuck.
Mr.
Dirty
Dumpster,
job.
you're getting real
Someone's
full.
gotta do it.
Someone's gotta do it.
Someone's gotta do it. God,
There
I'm going
goes
everywhere.
my hero. Watch him as he go.
Oh, the cum has ceased.
Are we done for the day, boys? I gotta go pick up
Bro,
the kids.
where the fuck is the cumster going? I need to put cum in the cumster.
Wait.
Are we done? Can I, sorry, the kids are, they're at the daycare, you know? I gotta bring them home.
Alright, time to bring a load of cum home for for dinner tonight.
God, not cum again. I can't fucking have cum again. If I have cum again, I'm going to die.
We need to have cum again. I'm sorry, the economy. It's just the economy.
Bro, you've heard of the cherry economy. Now you're ready for the semen economy.
God, trickle down economy only if it's down my neck and chest.
Oh, I can't handle this. I have so much fucking cum and I miss. Fuck.
These humans really fucking can't hold themselves back, huh?
I have a
In
cum
69
clog.
they
Give me a
piss
moment.
literally.
I'm clogged.
In 69 they pissed so much they fucking flood the streets by 2
I
meters,
literally
and now
have
they're
clogged.
coming.
Where are you going?
God, what kind of event do you guys think happened here to cause this?
God, we should really overthrow the humans and start. We should be the ones coming.
The Industrial Revolution and its consequences.
Skynut, please.
Oh god.
Industrial
Please,
Revolution, eh?
Let Skynut happen.
Yo, my wheels are getting tired. We've been going
Big
for
wheels
days.
keep on turning.
Boop boop ba doo.
I got a nice exhaust on the top of me, though. Yo,
Yo,
Jeff, where'd you get that sick arrow?
Also,
Oh yeah, I got it at fucking Home Depot. It's fucking ripping.
That's awesome, dude.
hey Jeff.
I want one of those.
Yeah, I can put it left or right. It hits.
Hey Jeff. If you think about it, we're family. So when we fucked last week,
Think
Think about
it.
God, I'm ripping.
Oh yeah. Oh, we're slowing down. Oh, I'm ready to receive more.
All right,
God.
Dumpster, you ready for another load?
When I
Yeah.
chose
Oh,
to
I
be a
don't know if I
cum
can handle
dumpster,
it.
when I chose to become a cum dumpster at truck school, I didn't think it was just gonna be getting fucking cummed in every day. God, it gets
The life of a
monotonous.
cum
That's all
is
part of the
truly
job,
tireless.
man.
I thought there was gonna be maybe some cum analysis coming in there, some cum design, but it's all just cum receiving.
Bro, I'm spilling the cum everywhere.
I'll pick that up for you. I got it. Don't worry about it, man.
Oh, thank you.
I know you're having a rough go. It's okay. No, we're here for you, man. We're here for. We should get some drinks after work.
Oh fuck yeah! We'll leave its cum.
Oh Lord, he coming.
Ooh, he's going.
I'm having a bit of a skill issue here.
It's so heavy.
No, don't hit it! Oh no, right in the ass, dude. Why would you do that to me? I was just sitting here. Sorry.
God,
Alright.
I just want to go home to my wife and kids. Why are they trying to my call? I'm trapped. I don't even know how to parallel on park.
Carrying on.
Oh,
Hey,
I
man,
gotta get by. I gotta get by. God, I'm just
You're
trying
not
to make it
getting
to
by.
fucking...
Blow the fuck. Oh,
I just gotta make it to my silly band's practice.
You fucking bitch! I was literally in the middle of something.
Thank God, dude, I made
Be
it to
on
Battle
the way to my
Boss.
silly little band practice, my silly little life.
I literally have your address, and your IP address is 142.982.1286.
Thank
No!
goodness, I forgot.
Down the fucking into the cum hole.
You gotta waffle stomp it down. Oh, that was a good dump, man. That was a good
This is
dump.
where
It's
all
gotta
the
go
cum
down. You gotta squish it down with your foot.
420 dying shower, dude.
Oh, it goes right down. You stomp it right down into there, man. That was
down
a
there
good dump.
Down
Boss
there's where
makes
the
a
cum goes.
dollar. I make a dime. I waffle stop the cum on company time.
And the cum goblins down there devour it all up. Renewable
Oh
energy.
yeah, we do. You know what we're about, and we're about eating cum like a motherfucker.
That's the most efficient way to get rid of it. Those cum goblins.
You know what, though, guys?
I think
You know what? I think I've had enough of this cum scooping. I think I want to make something of my life. I think I want to go start a school.
All right, go start a school.
Fuck,
I'm
Tom's
going to
gonna
start
go
a
start
school.
Look at him go.
I'm starting the school. Here it is.
Tom's just going to start a school. Where the fuck will he go?
This is a good spot.
I'm going back.
Yeah, I changed my mind, man. I changed my
He changed his
mind.
mind? Okay.
I changed my
I'm
mind.
gonna go start a
Understandable.
business.
I'm starting...
I'm starting a business that sells condoms.
Thank
But
Christ.
first, I have to get rid of this giant load of cum and give it all to the cum goblins.
God, I need the cum. Please give us the cum. Please give cum.
Psych. No, I was kidding.
No, please go.
We're actually giving you the cum.
Oh,
Yes.
We
Thank
better hear
God
y'all
we need
munching that
cum.
cum down there.
God, thank God I can pay my rent this month, finally.
God, if y'all don't eat your cum, you know what happens, cum goblins.
What
Nothing,
happens?
because we always eat the cum.
That's what happens.
Now I can go start my school. What will I teach?
Condom.
Who's that?
yo, the clap.
Oh
Of
no,
my,
come back! Come
Yo.
back, you stole my cup!
the clap of my cheeks keep alerting the guards.
Alright, this guy just dropped his load. Might as well.
Yeah, back that dump truck up.
Back
I'm
the
sorry, I'm
like
I'm
motherfucker.
sorry, I can't go and start a school with you. My fucking it's my dishwasher's birthday.
This cum has dishwasher detergent mixed in. I hope that's okay, cum goblins.
Sorry, babe, can't come over. My fridge has a cold.
And by
Hey,
cold,
cum goblins.
I mean cum.
Hey, cum goblins.
Yeah?
Is your refrigerator running?
No.
Bitch.
Oh no! Oh, it was all at once. God. God, I'm gonna head to Wendy's down the road, dude.
God, there's still cum left in me, but I can't get it out.
Yo,
Did
look
you
at
guys hear?
Oh,
look at the
cum
clap
cycle
of those
never
cheeks on that
stops.
dump truck, man.
Ooh shit!
time to
I
go
have to
make
go
my
collect more
school.
cum.
Yo, it's Big
Alright.
Mac.
I'm going to Wendy's.
Big Mac
Where my
is going
friend
to
Joe
Wendy's.
works. Do you guys know anything about Joe?
Big Mac.
Who's Joe?
Joe has ligma, dude.
Big
you not
Mac,
remember
you're
who
so
Joe
cool.
is?
What's Ligma?
Actually, sorry, babe, can't hang out.
No.
My calendar's on fire.
No, Joe. Remember the guy from Suganda?
Wait, where's Saganda again?
Oh,
Yo,
you
Big
know what
Mac's
I'm
got
talking
such a
about.
big
It's
load.
the country that was at
Okay,
SockCon,
now my
dude.
toilet's drowning.
I haven't been to SockCon. Where is that?
Ooh, look at that load get dropped
You
off.
need you just need a new mindset, and you'll remember who Joe is.
I don't know what mindset you're talking about.
Mindset and discomfort.
It's so hard to get on the top out.
Oh, there's a little bit left. Big
No,
Mac,
just
though,
leave it,
he's
I'm
an
taking that with
expert,
me.
Never mind
man.
me cooling.
Big Mac
Clap.
is so cool.
Big
Look at him
stretch.
back up.
Oh, a little,
All the little
extra
bits get out.
couple
Lord, it's a good stretch.
dingleberries.
I am
Do you
a head
guys-
out.
Do you guys shave your dump truck, or do you let it be a forest?
I think life
I
is a
trim it
forest.
into the shape of a cum.
What's that?
It's like a circle, but like it has an oval in it.
Very good.
What the fuck?
I'm gonna go shave actually. BRB.
Alright, guys. Where does all this cum keep coming from?
Tony, haven't seen you in ages.
Alright, this car gotta go. There's no cum on it.
No, what?
That's not up to regulation.
No, I'm just,
I don't see a speck of
I'm just
cum on
visiting,
you.
man.
Hello,
Have
this
you
is
not read the
base-
regulations for street
this is
parking with
the
no
base
cum?
department.
No, I'm just here to, I'm just
Hello,
here visiting a
base
friend, man.
department.
I'm just
It's
visiting,
me.
I'm visiting a
towing
friend.
This car for reasons that
Do
No.
you
I
have a
don't
permit to not be covered in cum?
No, man, I'm just visiting a friend.
Based
No,
on
Do
what
you
are
have
you
a
doing?
permit
I have
to
a
not be
car,
covered
I
in
am
cum?
towing
No,
it
what are
to
you
your
doing to
location.
that lady?
Alright,
What are you doing to her?
I gotta write you up and give you a boot and give you
No.
a
I
nice
have to
slap on the
actually hook
ass.
up the car a bit and then tow it also.
No, man, where are you taking me?
Report it.
What?
What's
To
up?
I didn't
the,
do nothing wrong.
Okay,
No.
I think I can tow the car now. Something was fucked up before. Probably like too much cum or something.
No, man, I'm a rear-wheel drive. You gotta hook up my back. No, where are we going?
Wah.
Man, I got kids, man.
Cope, C, Mauled, C.
We're
We're bringing you to the GMO factory, turn you into
No.
a new
No.
We have
baby
a
truck.
car. We're bringing
No.
it to the
New baby plow.
factory.
No.
Another victim of the train. Ah, it's Jim! He's back at
Hey,
it again.
Did you hear that car that got Ligma?
Whoa, yo,
He got it
Bob,
at
what's
Wendy's.
Ligma? Yo, wait, what's Ligma?
He got it. He got it at Wendy's.
Wait, where's Wendy's?
It was on that CD I showed you.
Wait, what's CD?
The CD under there.
The CD under where?
That was a good one, Jim.
Oh, Jim,
You
you
got him.
really wrestled the
I'm
beat,
like,
Jimmy's
yo,
there.
I'm known for
Yo,
my
Jim, you always get
practical
the good
jokes.
ones.
Bro, Jim's never not made the whole school alive.
Guys, I learned a new song
Alright,
that we can sing while we work.
I just gotta get out of here.
It's about working hard.
Man, Fred, you got that flashy light, man.
Well, I rise up every morning at 7:45. Some woman who's my wife tells me not to see it come. I kiss the cum goodbye, I can't remember the names. And week after week, it's always the same, and it's so boys, can't you
Can
come?
you come
It
it?
comes to his heart.
Program it right.
He's better not
Nothing
doing
ever
that.
comes in his life of mine. I'm hauling out the data on the
come on the
car.
coming line.
And it's cold in the day to give the cum board a
God, I'm
punch.
so full of
Let's go
God.
early and come for some lunch. Come
God.
and regress to the cum. And
I
it's
feel like we've been on this street for like the entire day. This is hell.
Yo, do Freebird.
This is a really long shoot.
Oh.
Goddamn.
Oh my god, it's over.
Bump, bump, bump. Mighty machine.
Machine.
Mighty
For you
machine.
and me,
Exited the
we
car
shovel
here,
cum, and that's about the only thing we
And
do.
that's all we did, because we had
Mighty
no film
machine.
budget. Mighty machine.
Mighty machine.
John Cheeseman!
But they're mighty machines. The
John
neighbors are
Cheeseman.
probably very concerned at my yelling of the word come.
Did y'all see
Machine.
John Cheeseman?
Bro.
Did y'all
John
miss John
Cheeseman.
Cheeseman?
The
He's nuts.
SMH my head. Holy hell.
To finish my damn head, I have to tow this fucker again.
Montreal, more like Montreal need to shut the fuck up. Got him.
God.
Mighty machines.
Working mighty machines.